Hi, and welcome to EdTech Moment. I'm Bill Selleck, and today I'm going to give you an overview of Google Docs. If you have not used Google Docs before, this will be completely empty. I'm just logged in as myself, so you get to see what it looks like when Google Docs is fully populated. The biggest thing you're probably going to notice if you're switching from Microsoft Word or OpenOffice is that there's a nice search bar up here. So since I already have some documents there, if I wanted to search for something like food, you can just hit return, and it's going to pull up all the documents that I have that have the word food in it. So this is an incredibly powerful way to quickly go through all of your files. You don't even have to really organize it. If you just have specific words, it's quite easy to search for it. By default, it will sort by last modified. You know that it's sorted by this because it's red. I can also click on sort and change it. If I just want it alphabetical, how big it is, you can set priorities. You can also change the basic view of it. I like having it compact because I have lots of documents. So this is the basic home of Google Docs. If I click on a file, working on an iBook right now, talking about iPads, it's going to open this up in a separate tab. So you can see right here, here's my Google document. It works just like a Microsoft Word document, OpenOffice document, Pages document. You have different heading sizes, different styles. You can change the fonts, change the size, you can bold. So whatever you know about word processing, you can apply all of that to Google Docs. It will automatically save. If you want to share it, top right corner, you can just click share, and you can add people. So if you type in an email address, you can give that person permission to either edit, comment, or view. The default is edit. If you're going to use this as a gradebook to share with students, you would want to change that to view so they can only view their gradebook, but they wouldn't be able to edit it. You can see there's 3 people that are working on this one. It'll automatically save as you work, so all I have to do is close this tab and I'm back to my home. Collections are essentially folders. Everything can live in the home. If you star it, it automatically shows up as starred, so here are the things I want quick access to. Or you can add it into collections. You could create new collection. So if you think of that as a folder, you're set. Let me show you how to create a new form or a new document. You go to create. Document would give you the same thing as Microsoft Word. Presentation would be the same as either Keynote or PowerPoint. Spreadsheet would be Excel or Numbers. But I like forms. This is a way where you can give people a link. You could say, what is your name? Help text will show, type your name, example, Bill. You have a variety of options for the type of question you want, and you can make it optional or required. I will call this EdTech Moment Sample. Directions go here. If you had something specific, you could type it in there. There's a variety of different questions you could give. I could make this just a longer one. I can give it multiple choice, so I could use this as actual a test or checking for understanding. What is the best EdTech tutorial? Make that multiple choice. EdTech moment, other, or let's just put my website. Haha. Make that required and done. You have a variety of themes. We'll just keep with the basic one. You can embed this. It'll say thank you for whatever. That's called the confirmation. You can see the responses. Responses show up as a spreadsheet. So that's what you saw earlier. And each column is one of your questions. So that's a quick overview with the forms. That's something that is quite different from the Microsoft Office suite or Apple's iWork suite. So I want to give you a little more in-depth with that. So it's easy to share, easy to search, easy to organize. If you star, automatically shows in star. And that's an overview of Google Docs. So come back again. I'll give you more in-depth of each one of these types of Google documents next time. Thanks for checking out EdTech Moment.